Hi guys, this is me, Zahara, and I'm back again. So today I'm going to be doing the DIY shirt that I said we'd be doing in my first Valentine's Day Dollar Tree haul. That I said first because it's the first time I've ever been on this channel. That was the first time I've ever been on this channel. So I said that we were going to make a shirt. If you haven't seen that video already, you should check it out. And here's the shirt. So this is not that. There's two shirts we're going to make, one for my little sister. My grandma already made this one. Now it only cost $2 in order to make this masterpiece. $2 and then needle and thread, or you can use a sewing machine. So we took a plush, cut out the stuffing, and then we sewed it on here. So it's a really cool flip heart sequin shirt that you can get nowhere else unless somehow somebody's copying us and selling it. So my scarf is blocking it, but we're going to show how to make this. And then she is going to model it today.
Okay, your grandma's going to show it?
Yeah.
Hi, Grandma.
Wait. This is a monkey. Hold it first. I wanted to monkey to hold.
Okay, so we are going to show you guys how to do it. All you need
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is, my grandma's modeling, showing right here. You're going to take the back and cut open a slit. First cut open a little bit, and then you can go ahead and just shove your scissors in there. Well, don't shove it, but you can shove it. Just put your scissors in there and take out all the stuffing, which I will use for something. Give me that. And you can play them up with stuffing
it's just
or...
$1.
What's my eye talking?
$1.
What's my eye talking? So, with the stuffing, you can use it for anything else. Like you can save it, and then later on, if you want to sew something, like a plushie, you can do that. Or you know what you can do actually? You can just keep a little bit of stuffing in, because then it'll like pop out, and then you. Okay, so we've just taken out all of this stuffing. And now we are going to cut off the tag. You can do this before you start. You can even do it after you sew on the shirt. You can basically do whenever you want. I would do it first, but we're not doing it first. Now my sister took away the nice heart non-plushie anymore. It's not a plushie anymore. Now you're just going to take the shirt. It doesn't matter what color it is. So you're going to take the shirt, and then you're going to take the center of the shirt, and then you're going to take a needle. Hey, that's my paint sponge. And you're going to make it. And Minky, I said Mikey last time, but Minky will sadly watch as his friend dies.
So there you guys have to place it. Place the heart there.
Go ahead. We need the heart. Did you start it?
Yeah. So just hold them with pins.
So just hold them with pins. I don't think they can hold it that well.
Yeah.
So you say I copy.
Okay.
So you can take pins and hold it down. You don't have to, but
No, you do, because then
well, you can. If you do, it will be much easier. But you don't have to if you don't want to. It's just that we're going to do it because we've got now we have the smiling heart that's getting sewn into the shirt.
Sewing it would be.
It's smiling. So we're sewing it into the shirt with the needle and thread. You can use a sewing machine, but we're going to use a needle and thread because we don't have a sewing machine nearby. We do have one in the house, but not nearby.
It breaks.
I don't use machine. My mom just told me sequins go bye-bye. So if you don't have a sequin heart. Okay, so now it's ready. We're just very quickly putting the needle back. And there you have it. It was so easy. Took a little bit more than 5 minutes. Like maybe 6 or 7, because we had to sew it off camera. But it's great. Now, as I said in the beginning, you could keep some of the stuffing in, and it would really, if you do, it would pop out like big. But if you do want that, then do it.
Give it to your sister. Okay.
Oh, and one thing, Minky's back. Yeah, last time it was Mikey. This time it's Minky. Okay, so me and Minky. Make sure to click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell. There's a little bell after you click subscribe. There's going to be a little bell. Click on that. And make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, which kind of counts as a heart. So make sure to give a giant thumbs up. Bye.
Bye. Bye.